Oh, well, I'm Matic. I do everything. I'm from the Balkans. I really like to say that I'm from here, but not limited to one country. This used to be a much bigger country that's split into 6 parts, not limited to one country. This is my city where we are at right now. One of my cities, because the other one is Novi Sad in Serbia, which I also love. I'm 36 years old. I don't look it. I'm crazy as I was when I was 17, which is good, which I love. And I'm never gonna stop. And I do things. Try to help people. I'm in IT, but that's just a job. I do festivals, parties, things. Meta is a rush. I've met Meta on... Wait, when did I meet Meta? I think I've known her sister before. She has a sister that worked on one of the parties I made. Actually, we became quick friends. And Meta just came somewhere along the way to mess things up, to help us do parties, decorations. Decorations are Meta's thing. We had her decorate the festival. She's awesome. She's what she said to me, like always up for action. She's the same. Her energy, her vibe when she's happy. She needs to be out though. I can see that the winter has been long for Meta. It's the start of the summer, so Meta will be much better in 2 months once the sun is out and she's doing her thing. Things have to be Meta's way. Meta is a very authoritative person and things need to be done her way. We clash a lot, but that's friends. We always make up and find a good decision, but Meta is very strong-willed. Doesn't drive me crazy. It's what I like about her at the same time. Connecting people. Absolutely, like connecting weird people from all over the place to get there. So this is why this is so hard, because I just send you all the way to Tokyo now. A lot. A lot. We can't really go into details. I changed the education system, the political system, the way we do stuff a lot. I've been thinking about it a lot. It's just complicated. A lot of things need to change to make the world a more humanly place. Potato. Has to be, I don't know, I love potatoes. I don't know. Grows in the dark, but it's edible. I don't know, spirit vegetable. I'd have to put some thought into that. Nothing. To be themselves. To be open, honest. Maybe let me sleep on their couch every once in a while. The most important ever. Friends are family. Friends are the family you make. So I have a lot of really good friends I can count on, and I can send people in the middle of the night. I can go there in the middle of the night, and the feeling to have that is more important than anything else. A lot, but a lot of friends live very far away, so I try to do the best I can. But there's people in the States that I'm dying to meet, and it's just so far that it's so hard to plan. But social networks help, so we do video chats and stuff and stay in touch and really try to keep up with everybody, each other's lives. So yeah. Yeah. Well, for me it is. I know it's not for a lot of people, but I make a lot of friends real quick. Me being this tall that everybody has to give me 5 minutes is also help. And being a bit of an idiot, so I know a funny thing or two to say to people, but... Of course, absolutely. Big friends. To Djordje. Djordje is an awesome friend from Belgrade. You'll see him, he's the artistic type, the stereotypical artist, bigger than life. His art is awesome, he likes to do big things and is very friendly as well. You'll see that the Serbian people are so hospitable. Even the more south you will go, the more southeast you will go, the more hospitable people become, and yeah, I'm very happy to send you to Djordje. He will. All this, the stuff I told, everything is epic. When we get together, we do epic stuff. It's usually just going out, but it's a lot of fun. Why? I don't know. We sat down, started talking. That was it, and from that point on, it's like we've always been friends. We've been friends forever.